Mama, today's nice weather.
Oh, let's go to the safari park today.
Are they here lions?
Yes,
And are they tigers?
sure.
And are they elephants?
Of course.
Let's go.
Wherever you go, wherever you go, Sunday came, I was lost in a dream. Sunlight poured through sycamore trees, and you smiled, and I smile. You know I love you. Wherever you go, there you are. We are all just shooting stars, burning up our lives, brilliant in the night sky. Wherever you go, there you are. We are all just shooting stars, burning up our lives, brilliant in the night sky.
If you ask me what is the wonderful experience of the travel, I will answer it's the place where the parents can see. In the northeast Panyu district, we have 4 parks of Guangzhou, Chimlong. This time we came to the safari park, Chimlong.
Because my kids like animals. They like giraffe, elephants and another kind of animals. They like to know about animals, something new. I think it's the biggest park in the world, and you can see a lot of animals from different countries. It's great. They can learn how to be safe with animal, how to feed animal, because safari park have small animals, and they can study how to feel animals, how to care about animals. From Monday to Friday, they study at school and kindergarten. We are free, we stay at home. When they come back from kindergarten, we have couple hours, but after we need to go work. But kids doesn't work. I hope I will have more time with children to have with nature, stay with nature. And I feel happy because they are happy. I want to say be smart and study and life give you everything what you need. First I want they be not better than another kids, I want they be better than me.